Yesterday, Gmail rolled out an improvement to the labels system, which I think is very groundbreaking with email. And if you haven't started using labels yet, you need to start using them. Here are some of my labels in Gmail. Yesterday, they started rolling out this change to Gmail users where the labels have moved from below your chat area to right below your standard folders, which are inbox, starred, sent, etc. It automatically created my most used labels and put them right here at the top of the list. But you'll notice there's a button here that says I can view all the rest of my labels here by clicking 32 more. And now you can see some of my other labels. Now if I decide I don't want a particular label at the top, I can do one of two things. I can click and drag that label from the top visible list into my other list where it says more here, and vice versa. I can pull a label from the hidden list and I can pull it back into the visible list just by clicking and dragging it back up to the top. Why is this so important and such a big deal? Well, it makes things even easier for labeling and organizing your email. In previous videos, I've showed you how to check a particular email and then say move it to one of your labels, which is a great addition. But now, instead of doing that, I can simply grab over here on the left-hand side, grab that email and just drag it to the label where I want it to be. And now it goes out of my inbox and goes into the label that I've just assigned it. Here's a PC World. Again, I'll grab it from here on the left and drag it into the PC World label there. So it makes it very simple. If I want to grab more than one, I have 3 eBay ones right here. I can highlight all 3 and then click on any one of them and grab it and drag it to the appropriate label. Now you can also reverse that process and drag a label to a message. So for example, in my inbox here I have one more eBay email, and if I want to leave it in the inbox but I want to make sure I assign that label to that email, I can come over here to my label list and click and drag the label to that message. And now you can see that the label is indicated right there as eBay. If you're not comfortable using drag and drop with the labels and using this more option here to drag between the visible list and the list that's not visible, go ahead and go up to the top of your screen, click Settings in Gmail, then click Labels. Once you're in the Labels area of the settings, you can see all of your labels, and then you can select Show or Hide for the labels that you want to show or hide on the left-hand side of your screen. That's a quick overview of the new improvements in the Gmail labels. I have lots more tips on Gmail here on YouTube or on my website at helpmerick.com. Just search for Gmail on either one and you'll find all of my tips, including some beginner tips for new Gmail users.